kan kita kan bapak
Kalau ome,
I am thinking of going to the library today as well.
awan dewe kan
Oh,
mama iri.
we can go together. What kind of book are you looking for? I want something about animals. Maybe a story about a dog or a horse. What about you? I think I want an adventure book. You know, like a Fraser Hawk or something with violence. That's so fun. Do you know where the adventure books are in the library? Not really. I usually just ask Mrs. Cross, the librarian. She always knows where everything is. Yeah, she is really nice. Last time she helped me find a book about space. Oh, I remember that. You told me how